this is the story from the Mahabharata. As I told you that Kunti had a son that is gifted by the Suryadeva, the sun god. So next what happens, we'll see it here. Kunti hurried to the banks of the Ganga where she knew Karna would be at his morning prayers. So here the Mahabharata Kurukshetra war is going to begin, but there are two teams. The one is Pandava's team and another one is Kaurava's team. So the Kunti is the mother of Pandavas. Mother of Pandavas. So here she need to protect her sons from the enemies. For that she knew that the Karna is her son. So she wanted to tell all the truth to the Karna. So what she did is she hurried to the banks of the Ganga. So she went near the Ganga river during the morning prayers, where the Karna used to go and do the morning prayers in the river Ganga. Karna was standing in the river as Kunti had expected. So here the Karna was standing in the river to leave Arghya. So the Karna is doing the prayer to the Suryadeva, Lord Surya. So that time the Kunti came to the Ganga river. He was facing the east with his eyes closed. So you might have seen in the serials or the films, that is, so standing in the river and doing the namaskara to the Surya Namaskara to the Lord Surya. That time Kunti came there. And the Karna was facing his face towards the east direction. So opposite to the Suryadeva, the Karna was standing by closing his eyes. Next, Kunti waited. Karna opened his eyes. So until the Karna's prayer end, for the end moment, the Kunti waited for Karna. Then the Karna opened his eyes. He was surprised to see Kunti. The Karna was very surprised to see Kunti. Why she came here? Because the Kunti is the Rajamata. He bowed to her respectfully and greeted her. Always the Karna has a special respect to the Rajamata Kunti. So when he saw the Kunti near the Ganga river, that time he went near to her and respectfully he bowed to her. Respectfully and greeted her. Greeted her means, in the sense, he said the namaskara to the Kunti. O Karna, my son. Now the Kunti is saying that, O Karna, my son. She wept. She wept means she is in the crying. She is emotionally poor. As she related the story of his birth. He was her son, she said. So the Kunti said all the beginning story to the Karna, that you are my son. Amid tears, he was her son, a prince of noble blood of the house of Pandu. So you are the son of the king Pandu. The blood which is there in your body, it is the blood of house of Pandu, the blood of the house of Pandu. So he was the child of Surya, the sun god. The Karna was the child of Surya, the sun god, whom he had worshipped a moment earlier. So here, before the Kunti coming to there, the Karna was worshipping the god Surya. So he is the son of Suryadeva. He was her first child. Out of the sixth child, the Kunti is having a 6 children. the Karna was the first one, the first child. He is the eldest of the Pandavas. The Karna was the eldest of the all the Pandavas. Arjuna was his brother. Yudhishthira, Bhima, Nakula, Sahadeva, all were his brothers. See, if we say Pandava means the Yudhishthira, Arjuna, Bhima, Nakula, Sahadeva. These all five are the Pandavas. So, for this, the Karna is also his eldest brother. Pandava's brother is Karna. But this truth only the Kunti knows about this truth. Even the Karna also did not know that truth. It is the Pandavas you should lead, not Duryodhana's armies. The Kunti is saying to Karna that you need to support the Pandavas. You need to support. It is the Pandavas you should lead. So you are the eldest brother of Pandavas, so you should lead the Pandavas team, not Duryodhana's armies. Because here the Karna is getting ready for the Duryodhana armies. So that's why the Kunti is saying that. Come, leave them. Come now, join your brothers. Defend them against the Kauravas. So you leave the team of Duryodhana. Because he is not your brother. Your brothers are these five Pandavas. So support them, lead them. And come now. So now come with me and join the group of Pandavas. Join your brothers. You need to join your brothers, not Duryodhana. Defend them against the Kauravas. So please help them to win against the Kauravas. My heart has been heavy within me all these years. So till now I have hid this secret. My heart is very heavy now. My heart has been heavy within. Here, heavy heart means what? Sad. My heart is very sad that I am hiding this truth from everyone. Now I am revealing this truth to you that is within me all these years. Bring me peace now. So please bring me peace now. My heart is not happy. I am very sad. So please bring me peace. The Kunti is requesting to the Karna. For that, what the Karna said? The Karna said that the Karna embraced his mother gently and wiped away her tears. By telling these words, the Kunti started to cry. Her eyes were full of tears. The Karna wiped her tears and he spoke to her in sad. The Karna was very sad and he spoke to her that gentle words. The gentle words he used to talk. Indeed, I am a prince, son of Kunti, born to Surya, but Adhirata raised me. Yes, I agree that I am a prince. I am a prince. Whatever the blood I am having it is the blood of house of Pandu. Yes, I agree that. But I am the son of Kunti. Yes, of course I am the son of Kunti. I am born to Surya. The Surya Deva has gave me birth. But instead of all this, the Adhirata raised me. Adhirata is the father of Karna who grown him up. Adhirata raised me. Adhirata gave me a father's care. So when you left me in the river Ganga, so that time the Adhirata was taken care of me. He grown me up. He gave me his name. The Adhirata gave me his name and Radha is my mother. Radha is Adhirata's wife. Adhirata's wife is Radha. And the Radha is my mother. Radha is my mother means the Sakutayi. Kunti janma kotta tayi ಆದರೆ ರಾಧಾಯನ್ನು ರಾಧಮ್ಮ ಸಾಕುತಾಯಿ. ಕರ್ಣನ ಸಾಕುತಾಯಿ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಧಾ, ಸಾಕು ತಂದೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಅಧೀರತ. So Radha is my mother. She lavished my love and affection on me. She shown that the Radha mother is shown me so much love and affection towards me. Lavished love and affection on me. Here lavished means what? Give something generously. Here there is a new word. So lavish means what? Give something generously. Radha mother has shown me so much love towards me, endless, unconditional love she shown me. So here she shared me my infant joys and sorrows and proudly watched me grow into manhood. She shared me everything. She shared my joy, she shared my sorrows. During my good moments, she was there, and during my bad moments, she was standing beside me and she supported me a lot. And the Radhamma was seen grown me up to manhood. Means from a small baby, she grown me a big man. She helped me to grown up so proudly. Next, what she said, when Krupa challenged me to reveal my parentage at the tournament. So there was one tournament was conducted in the palace. That time the Krupa was challenged to the Karna that to reveal the parentage. They asked the father and mother of Karna. That time you could have saved me, mother. That time when they asked, you could have saved me, but instead of you never talked that time, but you now came and telling the truth. You could have saved me, mother. If only you had revealed the truth, then perhaps things would have been different now. When the Krupa was challenged me to, when he asked my parents, that time you have revealed the truth, but no, that time if you tell the truth means things would have been different now. That time you got a chance to reveal the secret, but you never told that. If you told the truth that time means it would be different now. The situation will be different now. Again, the Kunti started to talk that, son, with tear-filled eyes, Kunti protested. So, again the Kunti started to cry. Her eyes were full of tears. Son, with the tear-filled eyes, Kunti protested. Magane anta ಒಂದೇ ಸಮನೆ ಕುಂತಿ ಅಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Karna said, it was Duryodhana then who befriended me and stood by me. That time no one supported me. It is the man Duryodhana. Only the Duryodhana was who befriended me and stood by me. When I was alone, the Duryodhana was stood by me and he supported me. So he rebuked Bhima when he flung hot words at me. Bhima was the head of the Kauravas. So that time the Bhima was rebuked. Rebuke means scold. Here the rebuke, new word. R-E-B-U-K-E. Rebuke means scold. When I was taking scolds from the Bhishma, that time Duryodhana was supported me and stood by my side. To Duryodhana it did not matter. To Duryodhana it did not matter that I was a mere Kshatriya's son. Duryodhana was the prince of the Kuru Vamsha, but I am the son of chariot. I am the only son of chariot son, that is Adhiratha was my father, but it does not matter to the Duryodhana. Still he shown the affection towards me. He gave me wealth, a kingdom, power, armies. More than that, he gave me friendship. So the Duryodhana was gave Karna to everything. He gave wealth and kingdom, power, armies. So all the things was gifted to Karna from Duryodhana. A lifelong friendship. Duryodhana gave me a lifelong friendship. Mother, would I be an honorable man if I deserted him now? So the Duryodhana was gave me so much. So if I leave him now means I will become a good man. Would I be honorable man if I deserted him now? If I leave him means I will become a honorable man. He asked a question to the mother Kunti. Would I be worthy to be a warrior if I deserted the Kauravas to join the Pandavas? If I try to join the Kauravas with the Pandavas means I will become a great warrior? The Karna questioned to the Kunti. Would that be right? Would it be just? Would it become of Karna? So if I did these all things means I will become Karna, I will become a good man. He questioned to the mother Kunti. Karna's mind was tinged with a sadness. It was a difficult choice, but he did not hesitate to make it. So here, the Karna was standing in the difficult situation. Here, he cannot leave his mother, and here he cannot leave his friend Duryodhana. He need to manage both the things. He held honor, duty and friendship above everything else. Would I not be a traitor and a cheat if I desert him now? He said. Kunti had no answer. She was heartbroken. She bent her head in sorrow. So, the Karna was questioned to Kunti that would I not be a traitor and cheat if I desert him now? So, when no one was with me, that time Duryodhana was stood by me. He is my friend and he gave me a lifelong friendship. So, I never leave him alone. During war time, I will protect him from the enemies. The Karna said that it is my duty and it is my friendship. So Kunti had no answers. After hearing the Karna's words, the Kunti had no answers. She was heartbroken. The Kunti felt very sad by hearing the words from the son Karna. So the Kunti's heart was broken. That time she bent her head in sorrow. Here the Karna was shown the friendship level of Duryodhana and Karna's friendship. By seeing this, you can tell that. So that's why they have given the title name, the lesson name, Friend in Need. Means, though the friendship is more than the blood relation. So here the Karna did not give the so much value to his mother Kunti. Instead of he gave so much honor, respect to the friend Duryodhana. By hearing this lesson, we can say that the friendship is more valuable. So the lesson name itself indicates that friends in need. So when you are in the problem, the friends will come and help you. Yes, children? Okay, the lesson is completed. And please write down the glossary part. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.